Good morning, Taurus. Ang timestamp ng reading nyo ay 12:22 a.m., January 6, 2026, Taurus. So, gagawin natin ang inyong free reading. This is a collective energy reading for Taurus, no? For the month of January 2026. So, if it resonates with you, collective Taurus, then this reading is for you, alright? So, we don't really do free reading pag nagle-live tayo kasi we cannot do free reading for each and everyone, no? It's not fair, okay? So, this is the reason why so many tarot readers are doing collective reading. Okay? So, ang gagamitin natin na deck ay ang Oracle of the Mermaids by Lucy Cavendish. Na-pre-shuffle ko na yung cards a while back at na-cleanse ko na yung table before we start the reading. Isa-shuffle ko lang din muna ulit, okay? May you bring forth po spirit sa mga gabay para sa collective Taurus for the month of January 2026. Para sa collective Taurus spirits. Okay. Kukuha tayo ng 5 cards. Okay. First card, Taurus, meron tayong time out. Unawareness, contemplation, solitude, and time alone. I think lumabas to in the past, no? Or maybe this is the first time. May seahorse and mermaid, no? Seahorse and the mermaid. Ayan yung time out. Okay? And then second card mo, Taurus, meron kang wave of power. Laging lumalabas to for most of the zodiac signs. Nasa Libra rin to. A surge of power, upswing in energy, exhilarating movement. Third card para sa'yo, Taurus, nandyan ang Song of the Siren. I swear, shuffle natin maigi yung cards, no? So, lumalabas din to lagi, no? In some of the zodiac signs, face card ng mermaid to. Itong pangalawang mermaid was actually nampas siya ng alon, no? So, there's a surge of power, no? For you, for the month of January. And then, Song of the Siren for the first month, ang ibig sabihin nito, face card ng mermaid to. Yan. Very white, ano siya, white, blue, a little bit of black, no? Song of the Siren, the call, summoning, voice to acknowledge. Fourth card, nandiyan ang reflections. Lumabas na naman to sa isang or ilang mga zodiac signs. Now, what you contemplate can actualize. I think one time pa lang naman. I think this is the second time. And your fifth card is freedom. Ito maraming beses lumabas sa other zodiac signs. Independence, self-determination. So, for the month of January, unang buwan ng taon, Taurus. Alright? So, ang una mong card for January, sinasabi sa'yo, takes time out. On what? No, there is this energy na since beginning of the year, no, may iwasan natin na magpaka-stress, no, at mag-worry agad sa unang buwan ng January 2026, Taurus. Okay? It's also use this first month, no, na mag-relax muna, no, before setting or rushing yung momentum mo for 2026. So, sinasabi dito, spend time on awareness. So, pansin sabi, more aware lang rather than doing actions, no? So, you're more on your mind rather than rushing things, making quick decisions. Kasi nandiyan din ang contemplation, meaning there are things for January na wag tayong padalos-dalos, kailangan pag-isipang maigi. Okay? In all aspects to, kasi collective reading to. And then, spend some time alone din, kasi nandiyan ang solitude and time alone. Ayan na nga. So, for January 2026, don't rush into relationships or other, socialization, no? If it doesn't feel right, or if you don't feel really good to, to dwell, no, right away with too much socialization, that's fine, kasi beginning pa lang naman ng taon. So, naka-holiday mood pa ang ibang mga tao, or they taking some time pa, nagre-reflect pa, kumbaga yung ibang tao, no, over the past year and sa crossing the new year. Okay? Ngayon, wave of power, what's interesting, yung mermaid na to hinampas ng alon, no, na napakalakas. So, that means may, for the month of January, this is the perfect time na maaari maging motivated ka, maaari na there will be new ideas, new opportunities, no, on the horizon or coming in for the January for you, no. And also, you will feel inspired, no, ganyan. Search of power kasi motivated, marami kang mga gusto umpisan siguro mga negosyo or endeavors or sa career mo man to, it could be a new job or maybe you're reconsidering some new things in your life, no? So, parang ano to, sabi ko nga, Ace of Wands, no? It's the beginning of something, no? That could parang, that could flourish, 'di ba? Kasi since fire horse to, magandang energy na ganito, no? It's about action, no? So sabi dito, search of power, upswing in energy, exhilarating movement. So there will be some time na mga situations or events na kailangan ng momentum din. There is a time out, but there's also a period na kailangan magkakaroon ng movement sa buhay mo. Some aspects in your life magkakaroon ng movement. There are aspects in your life na kailangan ng pause. Okay? So, it's balance, no? There are things, or let's say, sa career mo, medyo magkakaroon ng exhilarating movement. Doon sa, let's say, one aspect ng buhay mo, sa love life mo, medyo take it slow. Okay? Take some time out, no? Alright? Kasi nandyan din yung reflection, no? Kasi kasama rin dito, isn't it, nice, no? Doon sa first card mo may contemplation. Pagdating doon sa fourth card mo may contemplation din. Okay? Kaya yung sinasabi ko. So, it's a combination ng movement sa'yo, speed, and some time out or relaxation, no? Or reflection time for you. Ngayon yung Song of the Siren, yung third card mo, tong mermaid na to, for my face card lang, ang sabi dito, the call, summoning voice to acknowledge. So, there will be, don't listen sa mga opinion ng ibang tao or mga payo nila, no? They don't matter. Sabihin ko sa'yo, irrelevant. They are the noise. Okay, so ang sinasabi dito, itong Song of the Siren is at listen, at sa kung anong kutob mo, kung anong nararamdam mo, listen to your own inner voice muna before anything else. Okay? Your opinion, your feelings, your thought matters, no? It holds weight and value than the rest, no? Huwag ka magpapadictate. As of this time, if there's anything that's calling you to do something like parang feel mo na magluto, feel mo na mag-divination, feel mo mag-tarot, feel mo anything you want to do, follow your intuition because yung higher self mo telling you, okay, pick this one, pick this one, okay, pick a book, learn something. So, yun. There will be some inner calling, no? Or some people or situations you are being called upon to do, okay, or to act on it, no? So, take some time also to recognize it, no? And if it needs your attention, no? Focus your attention din doon, paglaanan mo ng panahon at oras. Ngayon, sa reflection naman, tingnan mo to. Yung babae tinitingnan yung babae na reflection niya na watery. So, sabi dito, what you contemplate can actualize. So, it's basically connected sila. Yung water na babae, somehow in the middle, nag-connect siya doon sa tao. So, it means it's manifestation. January is the perfect time for you to manifest anything for 2026. Okay? If you're into law of attraction, I will not tell you or dive deeper on that. I'm also a manifestation coach, pero di ko pa kinikickstart yung service na yon because I will be busy. So, yun. This is manifestation. Wanna learn more about it, then you just work on, learning about manifestation and law of attraction. No? So, sinasabi dito, whatever, if you can imagine it, you can have it. You can make it happen. Okay, yun ang manifestation. You can attract these things. No? So, be careful lang din sa contemplation mo. Kaya meron ka dito contemplation for time out. Sa reflection din, may contemplation. So, whenever you have some time alone, this is the perfect time to meditate and to create things, no? Create things, manifest things. Now, yung last card mo naman, no, what's interesting kasi talagang in-emphasize 2 beses yung contemplation, sa time out, at sa reflection. So, these are solitude cards. Tapos, contemplate for January. Okay, then yung final card mo nandiyan ng freedom. So, for January, don't be afraid to be single, to be alone, to have some time alone, spend some time alone. Being alone is not a bad thing. It's actually a good thing than a lavender marriage or an arranged marriage na walang love, diba? Being single or being alone is actually better because it gives you room na gawin yung mga opportunities nun or mga bagay na gusto mo. So, for January, appreciate the freedom daw na meron ka ngayon kasi not everyone has it eh. Freedom is actually a privilege, it's a blessing. So, yung independence mo and self-determination for January, no, is something na you need to focus on as well, Taurus. Okay? So, Taurus, sana nag-resonate kayo sa inyong collective reading for January kasi marami nag-aas ng free readings. Pag live, hindi tayo nag-free reading. We cannot do free reading individually. It's not right. Okay? Kailangan ng energy exchange pag personal reading. But for collective reading, this is really good. So, this is a free collective reading for you, Taurus. So, sana nag-resonate kayo. If it doesn't resonate, it only means that this is not for you. No, if it resonates, then the reading is for you, Taurus. And God bless, guys. And I'll see you on your next month reading. Take care, Taurus, and bye.